You watching this right now, you're an entrepreneur. You're hustling, you're hungry, you're not content with the status quo. You see the opportunity in everything, and right now, the opportunity is in local delivery. The game has changed. People want things now, they want it local, and they want it seamless. We're talking about building an empire, one delivery at a time, and owning your piece of a multi-billion-dollar industry. Over the next few minutes, I'm breaking down exactly how to do it. We're going deep on market research, building a brand that pops and crushing the competition. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is about putting in the work, grinding it out, and building a real business with staying power. You ready? Let's go. All right, let's get real for a minute. You can't just slap a logo on a van and call it a business. You need a plan, a damn good one. First, market research. Who are your people? Are you servicing businesses or individuals? What's the competition like in your area? You need to know this stuff inside and out. Next, your niche. What's your specialty? Maybe it's same-day delivery, maybe it's eco-friendly transportation, or maybe you're the go-to for high-value items. Find your lane and dominate it. Now, the business model. Are you going solo or building a fleet? Independent contractor or employee model? Brick and mortar office or purely digital? Figure out what works best for you and your vision. And don't forget the legal and financial stuff. Get your paperwork in order, set up your business entity, and talk to a damn accountant. Trust me, this is not the time to cut corners. You got the plan, now it's time to build your machine. First up, your fleet. Are you rocking bikes for those quick inner-city deliveries? Vans for larger hauls? Don't overspend, start lean and scale as you grow. And don't underestimate the power of technology. We're talking route optimization software, GPS tracking, the whole 9 yards. This is 2023. Use the tools available to streamline your operation and crush the competition. Next, your team. You need reliable drivers, dispatchers, and customer service rock stars. Remember, your team is your brand. Find people who are passionate, dedicated, and understand the importance of customer experience. Finally, establish your operational processes. How are you handling bookings? What's the delivery confirmation process? Don't leave anything to chance. A well-oiled machine runs smoother, faster, and makes you more money. You've got the plan, the wheels, the team. Now you need to get those customers. First and foremost, own your local market. Pound the pavement, network with local businesses, sponsor community events. Become synonymous with your city. Next, your online presence. Your website needs to be on point, showcasing your services, rates, and customer testimonials. And don't forget social media. Use it to connect with potential customers, run promotions, and build your brand personality. Don't be afraid to spend a little on advertising too. Targeted Facebook and Google ads can put you in front of the right people at the right time. And never underestimate the power of good old-fashioned hustle. Cold call potential clients, offer free trials, show them why you're the best damn courier service in town. Growing your business. Listen, getting customers is one thing. Keeping them coming back is the name of the game. Customer retention starts with exceptional service. Every interaction is a chance to impress, to go above and beyond, to turn a one-time customer into a loyal fan. Think about expanding your services. Maybe you start with standard deliveries, but then offer expedited options, after-hours service, or specialize in a specific type of delivery. Scaling your operation is key to growth. As your customer base grows, so should your fleet, your team, and your technology. Reinvest your profits, optimize your processes, and build that empire brick by brick, and never stop innovating. The courier industry is constantly evolving. Embrace new technologies, explore partnerships, and always be looking for ways to improve your service and stay ahead of the curve. Financial management. Let's talk money because that's why we're here, right? Setting the right pricing is crucial. Research your competitors, factor in your costs, and find that sweet spot that's both competitive and profitable. Controlling costs is just as important as generating revenue. Optimize your routes, negotiate better rates with suppliers, and keep a close eye on your expenses. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your revenue streams. Offer additional services, partner with local businesses for exclusive delivery contracts, explore different revenue models, and track everything. Use KPIs to measure your performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. Knowledge is power, and in this game, knowledge equals profit. Challenges and solutions. Look, building a business is tough. You're going to face challenges, but the key is to be prepared. Competition is fierce in the courier industry. You need to differentiate yourself, offer exceptional service, and constantly innovate to stay ahead. Fuel costs, vehicle maintenance, insurance, these are all factors that can eat into your profits. Implement fuel-efficient strategies, negotiate better rates with suppliers, and explore alternative transportation options. Finding and retaining reliable staff can be a headache. Offer competitive wages, benefits, and create a positive work environment that attracts and retains top talent. And let's not forget about customer issues. Lost packages, damaged goods, late deliveries, these things happen. Have a clear process for handling complaints, resolving issues quickly and professionally, and turning a negative experience into an opportunity to showcase your commitment to customer satisfaction. Take action and launch your courier empire. We covered a lot of ground today, but here's the bottom line. The local courier business is booming. People want things fast, they want it now, and they want it local. This is your opportunity. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, now go out there and execute. Don't overthink it, don't wait for the perfect moment, just start. Remember, building a successful business takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. The feeling of building something from the ground up, of being your own boss, of creating something meaningful, that's priceless. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, disrupt the industry, and build your damn empire, one delivery at a time. That's a wrap. We just dropped a ton of knowledge bombs on you, but now it's time to take action. Remember, success favors the bold, the relentless, the ones who hustle harder than everyone else. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more game-changing business insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. We've also put together a ton of resources in the description below, including links to helpful tools, templates, and guides to help you launch and grow your local courier business. Now go out there and crush it.